This is just some of what my son has done so far as building his very own computer from the ground up. He has some amazing looking things inside this. I don't even know what everything is. A water pump, radiator, some fans on top, radiator under the bottom, and all of this good stuff. He put all of this in by himself. This was just a case and a think. I used to try to ban that boy off the computer. When your kids got a passion for something and that's all they really want to do, and I don't care what you try to do to stop them, and they just can't stop, and you try to put them on punishment for it and they just can't be on punishment for it, then you need to recognize and realize that that's the gift and the talent that God gave them. But these pipes, he bent them and everything. I'm so amazed and impressed with him. Haven't even started his engineering school yet and already engineering, so I can just only imagine what the future holds for him. There he go over there, he sleep. He gonna be mad at me if he know I got him on the video. Play.